Today we're gonna create subdomains. I'm gonna create two to show you how it works and load WordPress on those subdomains. We go to domains in our cPanel area, and in the domains we're gonna create subdomains. So let's create our first one. I'm gonna call it Blocksy. That's our first subdomain. It's Blocksy dot and then your domain. After that, you click submit, and I'm going to create another one. That's Astra, because there's two tutorials I'm going to do with this. Let me create it once and it's finished. Okay, that's it. That's created. So let's go back to cPanel. Click it up here. Then we go down to software. Software. Go down to software. Click on install WordPress. Okay, and this is where you get your subdomains that you created. Like I'm going to use Blocksy. That's the subdomain I used. Now we want to make sure about the SSL. That's perfect. As soon as you click here, it will tell you trusted SSL certificate was not found. So yeah, it's going to be quick, guys. Let's go back. That one is there, we know that, and then we go back and check. Okay, but let's carry on. We will come back to this. Let's just add it on that one, and we will change it now after we fill. Let's just do things. Guys, this is your site name. This is so important for ranking. People don't understand. So let me explain to you and show you how and why. So, all right, let's go and check TrueHost Pro. Okay, TrueHost Pro say web hosting Middelburg / TrueHost Pro web hosting. Then it say web hosting and designs at South Africa. So it depends where are you located, guys. It doesn't help you say South Africa. It's going to take time for your CEO and all that. We will go through that as we go forward in this channel. But for ranking purposes, for quick, it depends where you're based, and I will go according to where I'm based. For instance, if I want to search for web hosting, only web hosting, guys, you will see, you won't find it. The guys who's a long time on this, on Google, their website has been recognized by Google search engines, they will be listed here. But yeah, if we go and say web hosting, let's say web hosting South Africa, if you go there, look here, there's a lot of guys who's already ranking for a long time. So let's go and say web hosting in Middelburg. So if I say web hosting Middelburg, look here, it's right on top of the page. And people that's searching for web hosting is normally in their own area, close where you are, or whatever the case may be. So yeah, that's quite important to do that. So for instance, if we go and, like me, I'm located in Middelburg. So if we go and say in Middelburg, that's great enough. People who are searching for brandy will find me in Middelburg. It depends what are your niche, and you add it there. And for the description as well, I will say best brandy store. So yeah, that's the way we're going to go. Let's just go back and check if that is, yeah, there's it. It's already, the SSL is on there. So yeah, now we're going to change the name of admin to log into our WordPress area. It depends what you prefer, what the name must be. And guys, the password as well. Make sure it's strong. And remember, you must remember this, because this you're going to use to log into your backend of WordPress. I prefer to put a Gmail address here. For this demo purposes, I won't change it. But yeah, put your Gmail account here so you can retrieve your password if you forget it somewhere. This is up to you if you want to use this. I don't want to use it, so I'm going to take it off for this demo purposes. And after that, everything is fine. Our SSL is ready. It's on HTTPS. So yeah, I'm going to install WordPress now. And guys, this is the way you install WordPress to a subdomain. And then you can build a one page. Because this is a subdomain, you can build a one page just to get traffic to your main website. And you can link this website to your main website. But we will go into that on our next course, where we're going to use this Blocksy subdomain of ours to install Blocksy, and I will show you how Blocksy is working. Thank you guys. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon that you can be notified when the next one is here.